guys, welcome to Amenny Property TV channel. Today video I'm going to share with you about a series of lelong property or how to work on auction property during the tough time. In this auction or lelong series, I'm going to guide you step by step how to work on the property listing, how to do the marketing, how to target the right market to get the right marketing portal, to get the leads, and also to provide extra service to the customer so that the customer willing to pass the business to you. A lot of people ask me how to start the auction property. The secret is very simple. If you already in the market for a very long time, what do you need to do is to engage your customer and to call the previous property owner or the investors that already know you and start to do your personal branding and marketing so that to let them know that you are venture into this auction property so that they can do some recommendations or you can start to build up your network for now on. So after this exercise can be carried out, then you will need to continuously post the property, a good deal property to your customer so that to inform them and also to engage with them from time to time. So in the events, they are a good deals or suddenly that they have some people that in their network would like to purchase the property, then you will be the one that actually they want to work together. So these are the few methods that to start your auction property. Hi guys, welcome to Amenny Property TV channel. Today video I'm going to share with you about how to work on the auction property. Today we just have one session that sharing by our auction king in the company. So this guy have been involved in auction about 11 years according to him. And what is the secret that he shared just now? I think a lot of agents, you probably in the market for a long time. So in a good time, you probably work on the project marketing or sub-sales. And now this is a time probably you want to expand the channel of your marketing by focusing in the auction property. To start to market the auction property, first you need to acquire an auction listing. Where to get this auction listing? He recommended two portals. I will post the two property portal link in the description. The first one is auctiondata.com.my. The second one is auctionnetwork.com.my. Let me share with you three simple steps to start to work on the auction property. Step number one, after you go into the website, you need to categorize the property and to find the area that you like to focus. Assuming you like to focus in KL City, and you can do the filtering and also search the property that are being published in the website. Step number two, after you acquire the property listing already, you put it into an Excel sheet and start to do your market survey before you can put online for your marketing or to send to your customer. Step number three, after you done all your market survey and the comparison, so you will choose the top priority listing that you like to work on. Assuming you choose the property that you are familiar on, like the condo that you are working on in the sub-sales market. After you have checked all the property price, and if the property is marketable, then the next thing that you need to decide is to put the property into the marketing portal and also to do your offline marketing to reach out to your target customer. If you like my video, kindly help me subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to on the notification. I promise you I will do a video and share the most updated property information every week. Thank you so much for watching my video.